Hey everyone, this is Coach Hamilton. I'm going to explain your digital day assignment for September 16th. It's going to be a pretty easy assignment for you guys. So our learning target is I can explain the effect the Bill of Rights had on the ratification of the U.S. Constitution. Our activating strategy is going to be to watch this crash course video from PBS on the First Amendment. I want you to review Google slide of the first 10 amendments of the U.S. Constitution. It'll go in greater detail on each amendment. And then I want you to finish the work with independent practice, where you're going to go to the portal, you're going to click on your textbook, and in your textbook, you've been assigned a reading guide on the Bill of Rights. So same as what we did in class, I want you to download your answers, submit it through Google Classroom. I also added the PDF to Google Classroom, so you shouldn't have any issues doing that. You can find your assignment here on eClass, or you can find it on Google Classroom, or both places. And I want you to finish with this Google form where you're going to tell me what you learned and what you're struggling with. Hope y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend.